Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel 100 Ideas. The beauty of homemade crafts is that they do not require large investments at all. Moreover, original and aesthetic elements are often realized from improvised items that you have long considered trash. Old logs, worn tires, plastic bottles are used. Some of these materials will definitely be found in the pantry in the country. Decorating a garden is not decorating an interior. There are no strict stylistic and compositional rules here. But this can only complicate the task since you will have to rely on your own sense of beauty while managing not to overdo it with the decor. Still, plants are the main characters of your territory. However, you need to take into account the general style of the site as well as the design of the house. For example, around a minimalist building with a geometric composition, even a colorful bouquet of roses will look out of place, not like sculptures from plastic bottles. But for a cozy wooden house, you can take a walk creating cute crafts. Pay attention to the palette of the flower garden. If the earth is full of bright buds, then it is better to choose decorations with more restrained colors, so they do not merge with the background or look too colorful. What items fit into the space depends on its size, your tastes and requirements. After all, filling the garden can perform not only an aesthetic function but also serve practical purposes. In any case, if you wish, you can always find plenty of interesting solutions. A private house is not just a residential building, but also a dream for most people. Unfortunately, many pay attention only to the main building, forgetting about the territory around it. In fact, creating a harmonious image of the courtyard located around the house is not just an attempt to refine the landscape, but also an opportunity to create a unique site that attracts and pleases both guests and household members. It does not matter whether the landlord decided to ennoble the site to professional designers or do it with his own hands. You need to know the subtleties of your design. As mentioned earlier, the external entourage of the courtyard plays a significant role, as it is seen not only by the household but also by their guests. In this regard, it is important that the atmosphere of the backyard contributes to rest and pleasant pastime, creates a sense of coziness and comfort. When planning a plot, it is important to consider the location of flower beds, building, and decorative elements. It is important that the yard is attractive not only in summer but also looked harmoniously at any time of the year. Having identified the key elements of the yard, you need to create a scheme specifying its scale. On the plot plan, the location and direction of the garden paths connecting the functional zones are determined, among which a playground located in an open and well-viewed area, parking for cars, recreation area, vegetable garden, greenhouse, flower beds and reservoirs and other elements. Only after drawing up a plan can you proceed to its implementation. At the same time, the homeowner may face the problem of delineating functional zones. To divide the space into harmonious combination, you can use arcs with climbing plants, small shrubs that create green fences, a low fence, wooden, plastic or wicker, stationary or portable screens made of vine, bamboo or rattan. How do you look at these awesome ideas? We would love to hear from you. We hope this video was useful to you. Like it, write your comments and subscribe to our channel.